Good day. I am Jenny Maxine M. Pasco, representing the College of Physical Therapy of Our Lady of Fatima University, Pampanga Campus, Philippines. This presentation outlines a comparative reliability analysis between an artificial intelligence-enabled mobile application, MyJump 3, and a physical therapist-administered Vertec vertical jump pole in quantifying counter-movement jump, or CMJ height, among collegiate volleyball athletes. The vertical jump, particularly the CMJ, is a biomechanical indicator of lower limb explosive power and neuromuscular performance, which directly correlates with spiking and blocking efficacy in volleyball. The discussion will progress through the study's scientific rationale, methodological framework, statistical findings, and translational implications for sports science and rehabilitation. The CMJ is a widely accepted field-based test for assessing stretch shortening cycle or SSC function and lower limb power output in athletes. Literature, including Refu et al. From 2020, demonstrates a strong relationship to volleyball-specific performance. Historically, the Vertex device has been regarded as the gold standard for VJ height measurement due to its high test-retest reliability. However, advancements in AI and mobile computer vision algorithms have introduced cost-effective alternatives capable of frame-by-frame kinematic analysis, such as the MyJump 3 application. Given the operational advantages of mobile-based AI tools, it is imperative to determine whether these systems can yield measurement reliability equivalent to clinician-operated gold standards. The primary objective was to evaluate the relative reliability between MyJump 3's AI-assisted measurements and physical therapy's collected vertex values in determining CMJ height among trained volleyball players. Reliability, operationalized as intra-class correlation coefficient or ICC agreement across repeated trials, serves as the primary outcome metric. Establishing equivalency and reliability would substantiate the use of AI-based mobile technology in both field-based sports testing and clinical physical therapy assessments of lower limb power. The study employed a cross-sectional reliability design. 13 collegiate volleyball athletes participated with mean age of 19, all medically cleared for high-intensity jumping tasks. Each subject executed standardized CMJs following an ICC-validated warm-up protocol. Jump height was measured simultaneously using first, Vertec vertical jump pole, operated by a licensed physical therapist trained in standardized measurement techniques. Second, with MyJump 3 application, employing AI-driven high-speed video frame analysis to compute flight time and infer displacement. Three maximal effort trials were recorded, and ICC values were computed to quantify inter-method reliability. Ethical approval and informed consent were secured in accordance with the Declaration of Helsinki by the Institutional Ethics Review Committee of Our Lady of Fatima University. Participants consisted of 7 males, 53.8%, and 6 females, 46.2%, representing diverse positional roles. 5 liberos, 4 opposite hitters, 2 outside hitters, 1 middle blocker, and 1 setter. This positional heterogeneity is relevant because CMJ performance can vary according to positional demands and anthropometric profiles. Baseline demographic and positional distribution ensure the generalizability of results across volleyball subdisciplines, minimizing potential sampling bias. The mean counter movement jump height obtained from the Vertec was 48.50 centimeters compared to 46.95 centimeters measured by the MyJump Lab application. The mean difference of negative 1.55 centimeters was not statistically significant, with a p-value of 0.264, indicating no meaningful difference between the two tools and recorded jump height. Statistical analysis demonstrated excellent inter-rater reliability for both devices, with intra-class correlation coefficients ranging from 0.940 to 0.970 indicating high consistency of results across evaluators. Parallel form reliability yielded an ICC of 0.933, confirming strong agreement between the two measurement methods. Furthermore, concurrent validity testing showed a very strong positive correlation of 0.909 and p-value of less than 0.005 between the Vertex and MyJump lab measurements, indicating that the AI-based application closely mirrors the outcomes produced by the gold standard Vertex device. These findings collectively validate the operational reliability of MyJump Lab in measuring counter movement jump height and reinforce its potential as a scientifically sound alternative for field and clinical applications, particularly when the Vertex is not accessible. As articulated by Gelderman et al. On 1998, evaluator characteristics can influence measurement outcomes in performance testing. Manual operation of devices such as the Vertex, while valid, is susceptible to intra and inter-rater variability. AI-enabled mobile applications mitigate these sources of error through algorithmic frame detection and automated displacement calculation, reducing subjective interpretation. Comparable reliability in the study reinforces the capacity of computer vision-based systems to produce objective and replicable metrics in sport performance contexts. The role of AI in physical therapy extends beyond athletic performance monitoring. AI algorithms can facilitate kinematic profiling, predictive analytics for injury risk, and longitudinal rehabilitation tracking. In lower limb rehabilitation, jump height serves as a quantifiable surrogate for neuromuscular recovery, making accurate and repeatable measurement critical. MyJump3's portability and low operational costs enable point-of-care performance assessments without the logistical constraints of large equipment, aligning with precision rehabilitation models that emphasize individualized and data-driven progress monitoring. Findings demonstrate that MyJump3 yields reliability metrics statistically comparable to those obtained via a physical therapist-operated Vertex device in measuring counter-movement jump height among collegiate volleyball athletes. Both tools exhibited high ICC values and minimal measurement bias. These outcomes support the integration of AI-enabled mobile applications as valid and reliable alternatives in environments lacking access to gold standard equipment, thereby broadening the scope of objective performance assessment in both sports and clinical settings. It is recommended that AI-based applications such as MyJump3 be adopted as complementary or alternative tools in sports performance laboratories, athletic training programs, and outpatient physical therapy clinics. Implementation should be accompanied by structured user training to ensure measurement standardization and optimized data accuracy. Further research should explore validity across diverse athletic population, varying environment conditions, and longitudinal monitoring scenarios to fully establish the ecological utility of AI-based performance measurement systems. This study proves that artificial intelligence is not here to compete with the expertise of physical therapists, but to amplify it, transforming accurate, data-driven performance assessment from a laboratory privilege to a portable, accessible, and universally available tool. No technology can replace a physical therapist. The clinical reasoning, human connection, and adaptive judgment we bring are irreplaceable. But AI can help us extend our reach beyond the clinic, sharpen the precision of our assessments, and empower us with data that elevates both athletic performance and patient rehabilitation. By bridging gold standard reliability with the convenience of modern technology, we are redefining the boundaries of sports science, rehabilitation, and human performance measurement for the next generation. Thank you for listening.